Today we're going to be tightening up our gear shifter on our 2010 Ford Taurus. First thing we're going to do is put it in neutral so we can get all around it, and start with a flathead screwdriver and just pry this down. And for those of you who don't want to scratch your shifter, you can use a plastic pry tool, but it doesn't really seem to bother it. Okay, there are two screws on the side. Both are T15 torque screw. There's one on this side and one on this side. Don't need any threading compound or anything, just need to tighten it up. As you can see, it was pretty loose, and I tightened it up considerably. T15, and now it's really sturdy. Now we're just going to pull it back up and snap it in place. All right, there you go. And that's how you fix a shifter on a 2010 Ford Taurus. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.